What's up YouTube, this is CobaltJustice bringing you another video of the Titanfall campaign. This time I'm doing the third mission. Enjoy.
All personnel, this is Vice Admiral Graves. Our pursuit of the 1st Militia Fleet has produced surprising results. We have flushed the mutineer McAllen from hiding. McAllen is now the IMC's most wanted target in this sector. Blisk. McAllen is a notoriously dangerous tactician. If he falls in with the terrorists, then they will gain a considerable advantage. We've picked up transmissions that suggest they will attempt to extract him from the northern plateau, near the wreckage of the IMS Odyssey, the very ship McAllen stole from us. All pilots, your objective is to eliminate all militia forces and secure the site. Under cover of your fire, Blisk's capture team will attempt to locate McAllen and take him into custody. Good luck. Graves out.
I am scanning the wreckage of the ship, registered as the Odyssey. Reported loss to mutiny under your command, Vice Admiral.
I'm well aware of the history of the ship, and I know who's responsible for its present condition. What I want to know is how it got here. It was only a matter of time. Pilots, get ready to move. Secure the site.
Up. This is a battle of attrition. Wipe out anyone and everyone who gets in your way. Let's take this ship back. All ground forces, neutralize the terrorists. Secure the area for salvage recovery. Door clear! Copy, door clear! You've got talent, I'll give you that.
Your Titan will be ready in 2 minutes.
Enemy pilot, on!
Your Titan will be ready in 60 seconds. Militia forces have penetrated the Odyssey.
What the hell are they doing in there? Hiding? Spyglass, scan for electronic activity.
Low-level frequency only, Vice Admiral.
Keep an eye on them, Spyglass. I want to know what they're up to. We're routing the militia pilot. Keep up the good work and secure the area.
Titan online. Signal when ready. Vice Admiral, I'm detecting increased heat signatures in the Odyssey's central core.
They're trying to spin her up, but she's half in the ground.
Damage to her stabilizers make flight operations impossible, sir.
They're not trying to fly her. They're looting her. Blisk, flush the terrorists from the ship. Nice move. Now finish the job.
Systems low. Shook up an engine. Not gonna be much left to salvage.
Vice Admiral, Scans indicate the militia still have a stable uplink with the Odyssey CPU.
They're extracting crucial information from her every second. We have to secure the site immediately. Sever the militia's connection, Bliss. Do whatever it takes.
Online.
You're doing great down there, pilot. At this rate, we'll have the area locked down shortly. Sir, I'm in the ship's command center. No one here now, but it looks like McCann stepped into the ship's archive. Well, Mac, I guess you're with them now. Bliss, return to base. We'll deal with McCallan later.
Warning, health systems low.
Bring it down. Well done. Secured the area. McCann escaped, but we should be able to find out what they were trying to pull from the core of the Odyssey.
Vice Admiral Graves. Scans indicate that McCallan may have escaped with classified data.
McCallan's got the plans for Demeter. If the militia didn't trust him before, they will now. And if they're following the playbook, what they need next is in Angel City.
I will alert all informants in Angel City to be on the lookout. What is he after?
It's not a what, it's a who.
Warning. Militia dropship has arrived at the contact point. Intercept and destroy it.
Attention all pilots. This is Vice Admiral Graves.